To create your own opportunity, there's 3 paths you got to take. Either one is you be a prime contractor and win your own contracts. Now, being a prime to win your own contracts is strictly based on your capabilities. Or you can simply identify a teaming partner. If you want to win your own contracts, but you have limited capabilities, you can identify a teaming partner that has complementary services to you that can simply add value. Also, you bring value, they bring value. You guys work together to pursue these opportunities. When you guys win the contract, you execute a subcontracting agreement. They do their part, you do your part. You guys both make money and both get your experience. Now, if you have limited capabilities, right, limited value proposition, well, why would a teaming partner work with you? What value are you bringing to the relationship? You must really identify what value you are bringing to the relationship, because if you're not bringing any value and they're bringing all the value, why do they need you? They don't need you. So you need to figure out, okay, what is my value proposition? What is my value add? Why should they work with me? Once you develop that value add and why they should work with you, you can now approach them and say, hey, you do X, I do Y. If we work together, we can do a whole lot together. So let's talk about it and see how we make this deal happen. Naturally, if they agree, you work together, you start finding opportunities, building those contracts, and naturally you will win some contracts and then scale your business from there, and eventually you won't even need them, or you might just keep working together.